Hello, people. Hello. I am walking, yeah? No, I'm kidding. I'm walking to, home, which...
No, you walked all the way to Seattle.
I'm taking a bus to Seattle tonight, though. How did you know?
I just guessed. By the way, your phone's being covered in rain.
Has my mother been talking to you?
No!
Barbushka,
In the...
did you see that?
Yes, it was called.
This car went through this
Yeah.
puddle, and it went... Barbushka, what does the inside of a sewer drain look like? Nothing.
It looks like the inside of a
Here
sewer
is my
drain.
bus for my school. Is coming for my valet. Hello! She does not even say hello. What is the plate number? What is that? Plate number. I need to complain on snotty bus driver. Who's gonna come out bus driver? I'm in my mom's car. Junky cars. Don't know why I'm videotaping this. I'm just pretty much bored on the walk home. And, well, need things to... Well, I need things to talk to. Hang on. My headphone fell out. Pick up, wait. Are you videotaping my video?
No.
Oh, he has iPhone ship box, eh?
Whatever.
He has 4.
I don't care.
I have 6S Plus, huh?
Again, I don't care.
$15 phone? $750 phone. I'm just kidding. No, really.
Shortcut?
iPhone ship. Yeah, let's take the shortcut, huh?
Ready?
No looking, just cross. This is my home, yeah? This
Not your home.
is my home. These are my 2 sexy automobiles.
Those are not your home.
Yes, the second one I am working on.
Both of them you're working on.
Oh yeah, this one, it has no oil plate. This one needs an engine swap. No, I'm kidding, I don't live here.
That one needs a freaking battery charge.
Yeah. It is a dead bitch. Oh, you should have seen my mom's minivan, wow.
Good God.
What?
Look at all that water coming out of the drain.
Wow, the drain is taking a piss.
Taking out the... Okay, that makes no sense. I can add bars. Like the little black bars, I can add those.
How?
Double tap the screen. Why would I want those?
He has the older model phone that I can't do stuff. All that mine does is focus.
Mine adds freaking bars. That's stupid.
Are you YouTube?
I have a YouTube account. I haven't really made any videos.
What is your YouTube account? Maybe you can get followers.
It's my freaking email. My parents did it. So I'm trying to figure out how to freaking change it.
So you type in your email and it comes up?
Yes, I have my email. It comes up.
I know how to change that. You're not even recording.
Yes, I'm recording. The square means I'm recording.
No, but
Circle.
look, it's mine.
Yeah, yours is a square as well.
Except mine has white around it. That's what she said.
Mine has a white circle.
That is also what she said.
That rain is doing like a really weird pattern.
Doing like a crisscross.
Kind of thing. That's weird.
Is this my mother?
No.
I don't think. Okay, so tomorrow, after I get out of school, I'm going to go around